In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Kraken wallet address. If you're planning to send crypto to Kraken, then you will need your wallet address. And it's critical to pick the correct wallet address and network, because if you make a mistake, you will risk losing your funds. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and I accept no liability for you losing or sending your crypto to the wrong address. And if in doubt, you should send a small test amount of crypto first. If you don't know what a wallet address is, then it's a string of characters used to send and receive crypto. Each address is unique and varies by cryptocurrency, and will also vary if you pick a different network for sending your funds on. For example, if you send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address, you will risk losing your funds, so you must always pick the correct wallet address for your deposit. So if you want to know how to find your wallet address on Kraken, you will need to log in, then click Transfer Crypto on the left. Then you want to make sure you are on the deposit tab at the top here. This should be selected by default. Then from the top drop down, you want to select the crypto you want to deposit. For example, I'm going to pick USDT, but you can also search this list here. Some cryptos can be deposited on multiple networks. For example, with USDT, there are a number of networks in the second drop down, and it's important to check which network you are sending your crypto on. If you select the wrong network, you risk losing your crypto. So I'm going to pick the Ethereum network. If you already hold the crypto, it will show you the address straight away, but if it's a crypto you don't hold with Kraken yet, then you will need to select Generate Deposit. So I already have a wallet address generated for this crypto. So now you can see your wallet address for this specific crypto and network. If you change the network, you will see a different QR code and address. So to copy your address, you can press the copy button to the right of the deposit address, which looks like 2 sheets of paper. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code below this with a mobile device. If you're transferring crypto for the first time, it's always recommended to send a small test amount first, and it's always worth copying the address or using the QR code rather than typing it manually. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token. So I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.